Hey guys, today we're playing Airplane Story 3, starting with Katie and Max. Today we are doing part 2. Guys, stop. That's Hermite's roll. We will fill the tanks. Was the Nova in place? Let's go.
Do not do it.
We're not gonna do it because we tried to risk it, but
You died.
we died. We died. I just saw in part 1.
Wait, where is part 1?
I don't know if it's uploaded.
No, remember?
Yeah, I don't know if the video has finished uploading.
So guys, you better be thankful because we're doing all the videos
That
for
was
you in one day.
Yeah, that was supposed to do like weeks ago.
Yeah.
So we're doing all the videos today. So like there's so many videos uploaded in the same day using storage space.
Yeah.
It's because of you guys.
Why did we say guys? Guys, you guys.
Okay,
Subscribe to the best people in YouTube in 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Smash the subscribe button.
So if we hit 10 subscribers, we are going to play. We're gonna do like another game, not just always Roblox. We're gonna play like something runner, Sugar Rush or something like that. Okay, connect.
We don't even
Excellent.
do, and we're not even expelled.
Yeah. Well, filling the tank now.
We're not even expelled.
But then we will be expelled if we don't do what he says.
It's not finished yet. It's only 2 minutes.
Fill in the tank now. Fill in the tank now. Now we are ready.
We didn't even help when we're not expelled. Okay, let me go with you because I don't
We're
even.
going to the back of the plane.
I don't know where to
Go
go.
here. Stay here.
Hey, you scared me.
I almost forgot. That's pilot Clark. He will be a pilot through this mission. And who's the other one? What's he gonna do? System is ready, General. Please start the engine. Pilot. Starting the engine. Engines are ready. Opening back door.
What do you mean, sure?
You're under it. Now get in there.
Wait,
See, I told you you could sit.
I'm gonna
wherever
sit
you
here.
want. I'm gonna sit here. I told you you could sit wherever you want. What's General Poncho doing? I think he's broken. Because he's waving his hands.
Wait, he's next to you.
Yeah. He's just waving his hands. Closing door. Prepare for takeoff. Okay. Good luck, soldiers.
Guys,
Now this is where the scary things happen.
Yep.
I thought we were supposed to be sitting now.
Yes. A soldier, sit down. It's wobbly.
Look, the plane's going side to side. So we still have a few there's something about
Zoom out,
this
Max.
Ronald.
Zoom out, Max.
Why?
I see. It's
The
like
first sight,
when
he looks like he's a good person. Why would he do something like that? General, what are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. Here, I don't want to eat it. Could be poisoning.
yeah. Let's see of other people, or is it gonna take our health?
We might need energy for later. Let's just save it for later.
Oh
Wait,
no!
don't eat the banana.
Oh no!
I knew it! It's poison!
We did not eat the banana because in some stories it's poison. So, oh, now we need to help this guy. Black Lives Matter. Yeah, Black Lives Matter.
Haha. I'm just kidding. It's an old prank. That's not funny, General. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. That's strange. I just had to do it.
You might as well.
That's suspicious.
Taken up. I will wake you up when it's time. I'm not gonna sleep.
I'm going to sleep because you basically like you won't be tired, but you will. But actually end up you will be tired. See, you're tired. That's only 4 people. I'll wake you up when it's time. He's still saying that. Time to wake up, everyone. This is when we're getting close to skeleton time.
Wait, which wing is it on? Oh, it's close to you, Jaden. Wait, I don't know. It's like...
No, when we're coming out. I'm very nervous.
Oh yeah, me too.
See?
Like,
General.
oh yeah.
Oh, the motor is. Does that mean we will die? Okay, everyone chill.
He's so chill. So have an apple, chill. Chill. Have an apple, chill. Chill.
I'll fix the motor, but I'll need everyone to cover me. Way out there.
Oh, it's the skeleton. It's the skeleton.
I'm not looking. But you have to come out. Okay, you have to dodge the lightning bolts. That's what I'm so sure about. This is so scary.
Oh no.
The storm is getting worse.
Okay,
Ooh.
I know I'm gonna die, guys, because I'm not like very good at stories, like the Lost Story and like all those.
I'll fix the motor as quickly as I can.
Okay, so stay calm.
Stay
everyone.
calm. Cover me. No, we're not covering you. Well, the soldier is.
Okay, not me. Calm.
He's sinking into the engine.
Guys. Oh. I'm gonna die, guys.
Like literally, we don't.
Oh.
Ah!
I'm gonna die.
Come on!
So guys,
Oh.
guys, we're like so scared.
Because this is the first time, like, it pops out of no.
Oh! I'm so scared.
Oh!
It's like so close to us.
Yeah, it's like,
Oh!
we don't even have that much time.
Oh!
We don't even have that much time. Oh!
Oh! So guys, we're trying to be so careful, but we're just so.
17 seconds left. I'm tired already.
Oh!
I think I should have slept before I tried to play this game.
No, I think we're gonna survive all.
But I had to do this because of you guys. We had to do
We
this.
survive.
Okay, the motor is fixed now. Okay, please, can we go inside? We'll never see. Okay. Okay, why are you trying to open the door or something? Oh!
skeleton was that big.
You will not stop this fate. Burn! Oh! Fire! Quickly! Inside! But isn't that dangerous? Won't it damage the engine?
I'm staying here. I'm staying here.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
You didn't.
How do you sit down? Oh, you sit down in the first spot you chose.
Oh,
There. Sorry, Daniel, I don't know what you are talking.
The giant.
The giant skeleton.
Where is it?
I
It's up.
didn't see no skeleton. Maybe it's blinded.
No,
Never
look.
mind.
Look right here.
Oh my god, that's scary. Oh, I almost forgot about this. Oh, it's there sometime.
Okay, guys, it's almost time for us to end the video.
I'll do
but-
part 3.
yeah, we'll do part 3.
We are finally here. Perfect. Everyone pay close attention.
Everyone, sit down.
We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. We need to get everyone out safely before we go after Ronald. Once we are in there, just have one chance. Good luck, soldiers. So you're not coming with us. Okay. Okay, we'll end the video here. And peace out.
Peace out.